Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a few items that I want to share with you guys. So this is going to be like a super casual walk around the house and show you some of my new finds. But yeah, we're just going to jump right into this home decor haul. So the first thing are these mirrored switch plates. So nice, and I found these at Home Depot. Yeah, I just came from the store today and picked up some. So yeah, I have a lot of different styles to put around the house. And then my friend here on YouTube, Emoji Style, hooked me up with these photo frames because my Dollar Tree really sucks at stocking these items up. So she sent me a ton, and I just have to give a big thanks to her again. And you guys should definitely check her out because she has some of the best DIYs on YouTube. Like, I'm telling you guys, you will love her channel. Go check her out. And I'm not sure if I showed you guys these mirrored frames. No, I showed this on my Insta stories. Yeah. Well, I purchased these from Home Goods. All right, so I have the 11 by 14, which fits in 8 by 10 picture. And then a 14 by 17 also fits the 8 by 10. And then you have the 16 by 20 frame. And this one fits in 11 by 14, and that's if you want the borders to show. So if you don't want the borders, this white border, then you can put a 16 by 20 picture inside. But I really love the white borders, and I'm gonna fill these frames with black and white prints. I think that's gonna look really nice. So yeah, I'm really excited. So beautiful. Really, really beautiful. All right, so this is the next item, guys. Really beautiful console table that I plan to put in the entryway. And the price was, you know, really good. It was only $60, but I did get 30% off because there was some damage in certain areas. But I'm not worried about that because I have spray paint that's, you know, this color, and I can just, you know, fix that, and I can probably sand this stuff down and, you know, spray paint it again. So I was like, you know what, 30% off, I'll take it. It's really nice. It's not too big because my entryway isn't really big. And I don't want to put big furniture in a small entryway. So I felt like this would be the perfect fit. And it's really pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. This is so nice. And it doesn't look like cheap or anything. I mean, I don't think it looks cheap. I love it. It's a great find, especially from Ross. Yeah, this is a really great find. All right, so the next thing I have are these curtain rods from Home Goods, and they are 36 to 66 inches, and they were $16.99. So pretty. I'm gonna put these in the dining room. So yeah, it's really nice. They have some really nice curtain rods at Home Goods. I always find really pretty ones. All right, so, okay, this is something new. I found this tray at Ross. Look at how beautiful this tray is, guys. Oh my goodness, so nice. So nice, right? And it was $27, so it's a really good price for this tray. I love it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm pretty sure I can find the spots, definitely. Because I was thinking my coffee table, but I don't know if I want to put a tray on the coffee table. We'll see. We will see. Let's go to the family room. Oh wait, I have something else over here in my dining room. This is new. I found this at home. And I picked up two because I want to play around with this on the table. It's $14.99, so it's really affordable. And this was in the family room. Actually, I was just playing around with this, seeing if I want to put it in the dining room. Don't know yet. But let me put it back on the table. More than likely, I'm going to switch it out because I want to find a vase that's just clear without all of the like design on it. I mean, it's really pretty, but the table is like a statement piece. So I want the vase to just be plain, clear with some flowers. And speaking of flowers, Look at these cute flowers, guys. Now, these are artificial flowers from Commercial Silk. I was gifted these items to share with you guys, and I am loving it. And it did come as a 6-pack, so when you place the order for this item, you're going to receive 6. And it's not like a small bouquet of flowers. It's a really good size. So you have a mixture of like roses and hydrangeas. So pretty. I love the colors. I think it's going to look great throughout my home, especially in the family room. So yeah, I'm going to place some of these on my coffee table, but I want to put them in like a clear vase. You know, I actually have one over here. Let me get it, because I'm gonna be making some changes in the family room. You know, I did my first video, but I wasn't completely satisfied with it. I just tried to, you know, do what I can and put the video up because it was taking me a really long time. But I figured, you know what, I'll just do the video, roll with it, and go back and make changes. But yeah, this is what I plan to do. I don't think I'm going to use this vase. I mean, I could, but like I said, I just want something without any like design on it. And this is like, you know, it has this really pretty design, but I don't think I'm going to use this vase. But let me turn this way so you can see how beautiful the arrangements are. Check the link for the for this item, guys, and you can also browse and see what else you can come across on the site. All right, so the next new item, this chair. Oh my goodness, guys, are you seeing how beautiful this chair is? Oh my goodness, I found this at a local furniture store. It's called Value City Furniture. I think they're like East Coast, but I believe you can order online with them. But oh my goodness, I love this chair. Now, I wanted to put this in my living room, but I would need 2, and the store only had 1 in stock. Like, they said they're not restocking on it or anything. I don't know if it's just like discontinued as far as the design. But yeah, I figured I'll just go ahead and put this one in the family room, and the gray chair that I had here before, I put that in the living room because I can go online and get a second one. So yeah, and I don't think it looks bad. Like, you know, I like to play around with patterns and stuff. I know some of you guys are like, oh, too many patterns. There's a pattern on the rug, different pattern on the chair, but I don't care. I love to play around with patterns. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. But yeah, I mean, you have to decorate according to what you like and what you want to come home to every day. I don't mind coming home and looking at this. I think it's beautiful. So, and you guys, it was on clearance. I don't even think I paid $200 for this chair. So yeah, definitely search your like local furniture stores. Check out the clearance room, because I always find really nice stuff, especially at Value City Furniture. I am always finding really nice stuff there, really nice furniture pieces. But yeah, so let's see. Oh, the mirror. This is new. This was not here in my family room tour because, you know, I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do with the space. I was telling you guys that, but I decided to just go ahead and put a mirror up. I was debating the mirror at first because I have like mirrors everywhere. Like everywhere there's like mirrors, but I don't care. I just love looking at it. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and put a mirror up here. I found this at home, and I am so happy I did because it looks so good. Now I am going to play with the decor up here because I don't know if I really like these plants. But I mean, they are beautiful. Don't get me wrong, very beautiful, but I think I want to play around with the decor a little bit more. All right, so the next thing I have is this rug that I found at Home Depot. And oh my goodness, guys, you are not going to believe the price for the size. So this is an 8x10 and it was only $170. Like, really good price, and it's a really soft rug. It's not like that cheap stuff, so it's so nice. And I purchased 2, so I'm gonna put one in the dining room, and then I'm gonna put the other one in the living room because I want the rugs to be the same. I found this vase here at Home Goods. Yeah, look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. So in my family room tour, I had this plant inside of a smaller vase that was honestly too small for it, but I couldn't find one big enough, you know, before doing the video. But yeah, I just have it on this stand that I'm not too crazy about, but I just wanted to give it some height, because without it being on something, it's too low. Like, it's too low. So I wanted to give it some height, so when you're looking at it from, you know, this side of the room, you can really see the plant. But yeah, really nice vase, very beautiful, and I believe this was only like maybe $12.99, so pretty affordable. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.